I promise that my love for you will always be greater than my love for Taco Bell hot sauce.
To touch on, she really loves Taco Bell hot sauce.
Jason, today I am so proud to call you my husband. You are my biggest fan and my best friend. I know that I am far from perfect, but you treat me like I am. I know that I can conquer the world with one hand as long as you're holding the other. I vow to love you unconditionally, forever and always, even when the Capitals beat the Penguins. I vow to be your biggest supporter, no matter the challenge. I promise to love and respect the person that you are and will become. I vow to never expect perfection and to always learn from every experience. I vow to continue to build a beautiful life and one day a family together. I vow to enjoy the adventure of life with you every day until the end of our days. Jason, I can't wait to begin this new chapter in our life as husband and wife. I love you.
Back when I lived in Ocean City, my best friend Jerry texted me and said, "There's this girl you have to meet." I saw she lived 3 hours away and thought, no girl could possibly be worth that. Luckily, you decided to come to me for an end of the school year beach trip. I learned instantly that you're worth so much more than a 3-hour drive. Before I could blink, I was already scheduling time off work to visit you. A coworker asked where I was going. When I told him, he asked, "What? Are you gonna marry that girl?" Yes. I knew right then and there that you would be the woman I would marry. I knew I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. Loving you has brought me more happiness than anything else in my life. I love your thoughtfulness and ability to make me want to be a better man. I vow to always love, support, and respect you. I vow to be there when you need a hug. I vow to always listen and stand by your side. I vow to go see movies first, so you're free to ask as many questions as you want during the movie. Brittany, I choose you, today and every day, to be my wife and partner as we continue our journey together.
Would do it all. I would do it all. I would do it all again with
Personally, I believe that nothing in life is better than a great marriage. It's priceless. So with the authority given to me by the state of Virginia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jason, you may now kiss your beautiful bride. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now present Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
definition of a best friend. I cannot imagine my life without her, and now I cannot imagine her life without Jason. Through all of his sarcasm, he is truly the kindest man that I've ever met, and honestly, the perfect match for Brittany.
It's like when you know, and they immediately knew. It was very apparent to me like how far they would go to do things for each other. It's the absolute confidence that they've always had in each other that gets me. Like, I love you too. Please raise a glass to Brittany and Jason.
May the roads rise up to meet you. May the winds be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face. The rain fall softly upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. To our new bride and groom, health, wealth, and from your grandpa, may you be in heaven 30 minutes before the devil